Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started. Our number one pick is Mate Clearpoint Mechanical Pencils. They are easy to hold and easy to work. The only thing I will say is that sometimes, after you use the eraser frequently, it can make it hard to use the roll-up feature due to shrinking the eraser. With the feel of a pen and the look and performance of a pencil, Mate Clearpoint Mechanical Pencils are the clear choice for smooth, easy writing. These pencils feature a convenient side-click advance mechanism on the barrel that advances the lead with just a click for uninterrupted performance. The textured grip provides comfort and control during long writing sessions, while the jumbo twist-up eraser lets you easily correct mistakes without any smudges or tearing. Use these Mate mechanical pencils as drafting pencils for clean, accurate lines, or stock up for your school supplies so you never have to worry about a broken pencil tip. Each order includes 4 black mechanical pencils. Our second best mechanical pencil is BIC Xtra-Smooth Mechanical Pencil. Experience smooth, dark writing with BIC Xtra-Smooth number. 2 mechanical pencils with erasers. These 0.7mm mechanical pencils have a medium point that's ideal for a variety of everyday writing activities. The high-quality lead doesn't smudge and erases cleanly, so your work looks professional and neat. Always ready, BIC Xtra-Smooth number 2 pencils are convenient, reliable, and never need sharpening. Simply click the built-in eraser to advance the lead. They're the perfect mechanical pencils for school and come equipped with 3 pieces of number 2 lead that's compatible with most standardized tests. With a clear barrel, these mechanical pencils have a sophisticated, modern look, and their colorful clips easily attach to pockets, notebooks, and more. This 40-count pack of mechanical pencils in bulk will keep your desk stocked all year. The number 1 selling mechanical pencil in the United States, BIC offers dependable performance and value that you can trust. Choose BIC Xtra-Smooth. Number 2, mechanical pencils. With erasers for a high-quality, safe and affordable product you can depend on. If looking for a smaller point, use BIC mechanical pencils 0.5mm from our Extra Precision line. Third in our list is for Candies Cute Mechanical Pencil. This pink mechanical pencil set is specially designed for girls and an ideal gift choice for friends, classmates, family, etc. For any issues, our friendly customer service is here to help. The set contains 3 types of nibs, 0.5mm, 0.7mm, and 0.9mm, that allows you switch as needed. Cute mechanical pencils are good for writing, painting, drafting, drawing, sketching, etc. The triangular grip design of the mechanical pencil can guide the comfortable holding posture and avoid slipping, and the smooth barrel and lightweight provides relaxing and efficient writing experience. You will get a cute mechanical pencil set, consists of 2 each of 0.5mm, 0.7mm, and 0.9mm mechanical pencils, 6 tubes of lead refills, 0.5, 0.7, 0.9 millimeters, 3 pieces erasers, and 9 pieces eraser refills. The pencil lead is made of resin and graphite, which is stronger, elastic, and smooth. 6 tubes of lead refill, 360 pieces in total, enable you to use for a long time. Ideal as a gift. Includes a convenient case for easy storage and portability. Number 4 in our best mechanical pencil list is Taja Cute Mechanical Pencil Set. The silicone grip provides a comfortable hold, making extended writing and drawing effortless and enjoyable. Its soft, non-slip material reduces hand fatigue, perfect for students, artists, and professionals alike. Dive into creativity with 2 mechanical pencils each in 0.5 mm and 0.7 mm. Accompanied by 2 boxes of 60 lead refills in both sizes, 3 top-notch erasers, and 12 eraser refills. Everything you need, neatly packed. Experience the ultimate smooth writing with our pencils, featuring a brass mechanism. Say goodbye to annoying lead breaks and jams. Our design ensures your mechanical pencil flows effortlessly. Write with confidence and ease every time. Made from high-quality resin and graphite, our leads are clear, smooth, and resistant to breaking. Includes 4 refill tubes with 240 leads, ensuring long-lasting performance. Our set of 4 cute mechanical pencils, in pink, blue, green, and white, comes neatly packed in an organized case. This thoughtful packaging keeps everything in place and makes the set a perfect present. Our last pick is 4 Candies Mechanical Pencil Set. The set contains 4 pieces of 0.7 mm drawing mechanical pencils, 8 tubes of 2 lead HB, 3 pieces of 4B erasers, and 9 pieces eraser refills. Includes a convenient case for easy storage and portability. The smooth barrel of the mechanical writing pencil has a comfortable feel, and the metal body provides the ideal weight balance for more efficient and fatigue-free writing and drawing. The lead mechanical pencil comes with a metal clip and a polygonal barrel to avoid slipping on the desktop. This pencil is easy to use. Anyone can easily load and advance lead. This 8 tubes of 60 pieces supercapacity leads. The stronger resin lead, which doesn't require sharpening and is not easy to break, provides ultra-smooth writing and clear dark lines. Great for artists, professionals, teachers, and students. For any issues, our friendly customer service is here to help.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!